What's up, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to step through the process of flipping a car. We were able to find a vehicle that was in our neighborhood for a really great price because it needed some work that the seller did not want to deal with because it would have cost too much money to have a shop do it. We are able to do some repairs on our own. So we were able to make the seller happy by giving him some money for his vehicle, and then he wouldn't have to deal with it. And we were able to clean it up and fix the issues and then get it sold to a happy customer to turn a nice profit. So this is a pretty timely flip. It only took a few days, and it produced a happy seller and a happy buyer, and we had a great time that we had with the vehicle in between that. So click the subscribe button, follow along, and I hope you enjoy the video. We'll be coming back for more automotive and DIY projects. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Here's our subject vehicle. This is a 2007 Volvo S80 with the 3.2 liter inline 6 engine with black leather interior and silver exterior. This vehicle appeared pretty clean. There was no dents or scratches. The interior was nice and didn't smell bad, and it looked as though it was well maintained by the owner. Maintenance appeared to have been done, and the car overall did not have a lot of damage that we had to repair. So this was a good candidate for what we were trying to do. Here we can see the old belt tensioner, and it looks like the bearing in there seized, so the belt was sliding over the plastic wheel and just burnt it off. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we had to take off some components that were affecting the belt routing. So there was the AC compressor mounted on the top of the engine, there was a coolant hose, and there was the power steering pump that were all being driven by the belt. So once those components were temporarily moved out of the way, we were able to swap the belt after those pulleys had been cleared. And here we have the finished product, a nice clean vehicle with all the new parts installed, ready to go. The engine bay even came spectacular. We were able to get the vehicle for $700. It needed the serpentine belt and a good cleaning, and the prior owner did not want to pay the dealer or an independent shop to do the repair. The serpentine belt online we found for $60, and that it was a kit that included the idler pulley as well as the tensioner. So we were able to get that and have it shipped to the door. We then realized we wanted to replace the spark plugs as well as the air filter on the vehicle, which increased the cost of the parts to $140. We were able to pick these up locally to save us some time. After being all in for $840, we were able to determine a sell price for the vehicle of $3,000, which offered us a fast turnaround time and a happy buyer. Our hard work has paid off, and as we can see, we netted a nice profit of $2,160 from the purchase, repair, and sale of this vehicle. So there you have it. If you look for opportunities and find them around you, asking friends, asking family members for, looking for vehicles that were sitting for an extended period of time, and you're capable of fixing them, you can obtain these vehicles with great value and be able to make some money, by repairing them and turning them around yourself. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and good luck with all of your automotive adventures.